welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you guys are new here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do these medium size blonde boho braids using hair from YGwigs. They sent me 3 of their 22-inch bundles, medium blonde, deep wave, bulk hair. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. What it do, beautiful people? I know my hair is looking crazy right now, but before I jump into these knotless braids, I just wanted to show you guys how I do the bricklay method. I know you guys were asking me in my last tutorial that I did the box braids on. Don't mind my partings, I did this myself, so I just know it may not exactly be completely even, but it's still gonna get the job done. I'll post a picture up here so you guys can see more in depth. This method basically is supposed to help the braids fall in between each other and kind of like stagger rather than them laying directly on top of each other to give it a flatter, more seamless look. It is all about preference. You don't have to do it this way. The braids will still come out nice if not, but I'm a perfectionist and I like my work looking clean and neat, and this method just takes the look that one step further for me. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 look of what the pattern looks like. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty. Yeah, I need all. I feel like I did too much. Braiding out my hair like this probably took in total maybe like 20-25 minutes. It does take a little time, but it's worth it because it saves you time too, if that makes sense. When I'm ready to start doing my braids, I just take down one cornrow at a time and then take my boxes from that one section. I do think that it makes the whole braiding process go a little faster just because everything is kind of already mapped out for you. I'm just going to jump right into this tutorial. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know down in the comment section. Wonder why your girl always wanna
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.
For those of you that are going to ask, I used about 3 to 4 pieces of the deep wave bulk hair per braid, and just in case if it wasn't already obvious, I mixed the number 613 and the number 27 braiding hair together to get this ash blonde color, and I'm pretty surprised at how well it all matches and blends with the bulk hair. And those of you that want the tutorial to that, I will leave that along with all of the hair details down in the description below.
I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Cause my heart, my mind, and my body. meet your maker, darling. Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing.
I am finally done. Thank God. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning now. I'm just waiting for my water to boil. This is 100% human hair, so I am going to dip the braids like I would regularly just to alleviate the stiffness. Dipping the hair makes so much of a difference with the finish of your braids and the type of mousse that you use. This is the mousse that I'm going to use after I dip my ends. Shine & Jam's Magic Fingers Setting Mousse for Braiders. This is like my favorite mousse when it comes to braids. Let me go ahead and get these ends dipped so I can get my booty in bed. It is late. I will come back in the morning and show you guys the finished product once everything's dried and dipped, and some styles.
You claim you see things when you only empty, but I think the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me, God help me. I think I'm insane.
A lot of people say that when it comes to this style, even with human hair, they find it like really hard to maintenance. I haven't had no issues with that while I've been using human hair, but I could see how some people could have issues with it. And it also depends on the quality of the hair that you're using. It's just like getting a sew-in with 10A hair compared to a pack of hair at the hair store. You know, the grade 10A hair is not gonna mat up. It's not gonna knot up as you're moving or just turning your head. But you know that pack hair is a little unpredictable. You get some good ones, but then some of them is just like the wind blow a little too hard and it's matted. It's human hair, but it's matted. So I think the type of hair that you get and the quality hair that you get, it matters.
All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose.
That's all I got for y'all today. The braids turned out really, really cute. It's definitely giving Black Barbie. As far as the hair goes, I didn't really experience any shedding. As far as the norm, the hair is really, really nice. I feel like if the hair was curly rather than wavy, oh my gosh, it just would have taken the look. The look is here, it would have took the look up there. Like, it would have took the look all the way there. But it's still really cute. Definitely gonna try to keep my hair like this as long as I can. The more that I don't have to touch or do my hair, the better. If you guys still have any questions, if there was some things you feel were still left unsaid, definitely ask away in the comment section, and I got y'all. I will do my very, very best to answer any questions that you guys have. Let me know how y'all like this style down in the comment section. Let me know which style of the ones that I did were your favorites. I am voting on this one. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I always love and appreciate your respectable feedback. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Isn't an option. Do you unusual rain and thunder? Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Would you just put your sweats on? Put your sweats on.